everyone, I'm Lorie from Dee's. Today we are going to create this beautiful wildflower and egg spray. This is so pretty and so versatile. You can use it so many different ways. This particular one, I've added it to the lantern and it just really adds so much prettiness to your Easter decor. So this is going to be really easy. Of course, as always in your kit, you're going to get everything that you need to complete this project. So we're going to start out with this beautiful multi-flower stem. This has got the prettiest colors and so many pretty greeneries all mixed in. So you just want to fluff it up. Got those pretty corals and yellows and magentas. But you're just going to fluff this stem up. And it's important with these type stems. This stem and your egg stem is what I like to call a paper wrap stem. So after you trim your stems off to make them shorter, you always want to put a little glue from either your glue gun. You can just put a little glue around the bottom like so. Or you can dip it into your glue pot and let that set up, because you don't want the paper to come undone, because then your stem will start to come apart. So this is a really important step when you're creating these with these paper stems. So we're going to fluff this up. We've got this all nice and perked up. And then we're going to go in and we're just going to add our egg stem right to the top. And then we can go back and mix our eggs and our flowers together. But we're just going to lay these two together just like so. And then we're going to take our pretty ribbons. We're going to start out with this beautiful pink plaid. I love the colors in this. It picks up all the tones in that pretty floral stem. So I'm going to leave a little short tail, twist, pinch and gather, twist, pinch and gather. And then next, I'm going to add in this really cute green polka dot, just to give it a splash of color. And then last but not least, this yellow is so pretty. We have it in several colors, but I love that little fur edge on the side. Just reminds you of a cottontail, doesn't it? So this is a really pretty ribbon, and we're going to add that to it also. So we have our pretty bow all made up, and we're just going to take our wire and wrap that around and cinch that nice and tight. I just pull really tight and I just kind of twist, just like a bread tie. So, of course, we have to trim those ends and make them look pretty. Put those nice V-cuts in there. We're going to trim this one. I left this one a little long, so you can leave it long or short. Trim it to whatever length that you desire. Okay, and now we have our pretty bow made. And then we're just going to go in and take our stems. Now these have a wire in them, so they are flexible and you can pull them out. So they're really fun. So I like to pull these out and bend a couple of pieces of greenery up. And then, so you'll have your greenery right up, and then you're just going to take your bow and we're just going to wire it right on top of that. Just like so, and pull it nice and tight. Fluff up our bow. Move your eggs around. Bring out those pretty colors. Let those flowers show through. And this is a beautiful piece. So you could add this to a lantern. You could also lay it on your mantle. Or what I think is really cute is maybe you have a collection of bunnies. You could put this on your table. We're going to stand this bunny right up here. And we're going to take Mama Bunny and set her right in here. And how cute would that be on your table for Easter? So, check us out at shopdeeslouisville.com. Everything that you see today is available there. And thanks for tuning in. See you soon.